welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie, and if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click that button down below and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Also, please don't forget to click that bell and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified of any future videos. So today, you guys, as you can see, I have my brows already filled in. I have my eyes prepped and ready. I have moisturizer on my face, and I also have some lip balm. So today, you guys, I'm also super excited for today's video because I am recording with my new Canon G7X Mark III. Hopefully, fingers crossed, you guys, literally fingers crossed, everything goes well. I am still playing with like the settings and everything and just learning how to work with it because, you guys, I've been working with my Canon Rebel T5i for a couple years now, as you guys know. And I was just like, you know what, it's time to upgrade. So this is what I have and this is what I'm working with right now. I'm just, like I said, hopefully everything goes well. So yeah, we're gonna just jump right into the eyes. All right, so today we have the Violet Voss Essentials Pro Series eyeshadow palette, which is this one here, as you can see. And I'm just gonna open it up. And this is what she looks like. Has a little mirror right there. And look at that. Ain't she pretty though? Look at that. I think I'm gonna go in with like this emerald green, or I'm thinking about this pink right here. So pretty, you guys. I can see myself creating so many looks with this palette just by looking at it. Like really nice spring, summer, fall, winter. Like you can create smoky, very simple eyes, and it's just beautiful. So I'm excited to jump in here today. So also, as you can see, I am in my like original, when I first started YouTube, like this used to be my background, and I pretty much just decided to film with this background now. So hopefully you guys like it because I really love it. And I was so like, why did I switch it? You know, this is just so beautiful and simple, of course. So we're just gonna jump right in. I'm gonna grab a brush. This is the Morphe Jaclyn Hill JH32. And I guess I'll start with Sand, which is this shade here. And I'm just going to apply that right in the crease. All right, guys, so now I'm gonna grab the JH33 brush and I'm gonna go in with the shade Terracotta from the palette. And I'm just going to apply that right in the crease as well. All right, so for the next shade, I want to go in with Emerald. This color is so beautiful, and I'm just going to use my finger. I'm going to go in with my index finger. Look how beautiful that is, you guys. Look at that. That is pretty. Super pigmented. Look at that. It's like nice and foiled. I'm just going to go in and use my finger. Oh my god. Do you see that? That is freaking gorgeous. I've never had a Violet Voss palette before, so this is the first time I'm using anything from this brand. I got this on in my BoxyCharm, but you guys, quick little thing that I want to let you guys know. This is the second BoxyCharm that I got, and honestly, I canceled it because like I don't like it. I ended up getting something that like a bar of soap. That was not something that I checked off in my quiz that I wanted. I mean, like I don't want a bar of soap. I can easily go buy a bar of soap myself. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna cancel, because even the first time I got it, I was like, what is this? I never like chose these things on the quiz, you know? So I was like, whatever, it's really no big deal. I can easily just buy the makeup myself or whatever. Doesn't matter. So yeah, I decided to just cancel it. But I really like this palette. It's really pretty. Look how pigmented it is. Wow. Let's see how nice it goes in with a brush, because I want to make sure I get right in the crease area. So I'm going to grab this brush here. This is a Morphe and Jaclyn Hill JH41. So going in with this brush here, I'm just going to pack that right in. Hopefully it gives me the same pigmentation. It works just as good with the brush. Look at that. Oh yes. That is gorgeous, you guys. All right, so we're gonna stop there on that side. Now we're just gonna fix this side. It literally just applies like butter. All right, so we're gonna stop right there with the eyes. I think I'm gonna go in with some eyeliner, liquid eyeliner. This is the Too Faced Better Than Sex liquid eyeliner. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this. All right, so now that I'm done applying the liquid eyeliner, I'm gonna go in with some lashes. These are the Kiss Lash Couture Royal Silk Lashes. These are so beautiful, you guys. So I'm just going to apply these off camera real quick, and then I'll be back to finish off the rest of the makeup. All right, guys, so I'm back. As you can see, I have my lashes on. Now we're gonna move on to face primer. So for face primer, I'm gonna go in with this one right here. This is the Touch in Soul No Pore Blem Primer. Hopefully you guys can see that. And I'm just going to apply that right in this area right here. And for foundation, I'm going to be going in with this one right here. This is the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. And this one is in the shade 3W1 Tawny. To blend that out, I'm going to go in with my e.l.f. sponge. Moving on to concealer, I am going to be going in with the Too Faced Born This Way. And this is the Multi-Use Sculpting in the shade Warm Beige. And I'm also going to use my e.l.f. sponge just to blend this out. All right, so now to cream bronze my face, you guys, I'm going to be going in with this right here. This is the Soleil Tan de Chanel, and I absolutely love this thing, you guys. I have so much left. I love it. It's just such a good product, and I love, every time I use it, I have to smell it because it just smells so freaking beautiful. Like, it smells so luxurious, you guys, and it looks really nice on the skin. It looks really nice and natural. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and set my under eye. I'm gonna grab my RC May powder, you guys already know, and my e.l.f. sponge, and I'm just gonna set the under eye. All right, so now I'm gonna go in and set that cream bronzer. I'm gonna go in with my Hoola Benefit bronzer and my Kenzie brush. All right, so now I'm going to grab the eyeshadow palette once again, and I'm going to finish off the eye look. I'm going to go in with pink, which is this beautiful shade here, and I'm going to apply that. Tell me, guys. You guys already know. Where? The inner corner, guys. You guys already know that. Oh, that is so pretty. I should have used this color. Look at this baby pink. That is so pretty. Look at that. You see how stinking pretty that is? I'm gonna zoom you guys in and look. I love this. Ready? Oh yes. I zoomed you guys in just so you guys can take a look at this shade here. Do you guys see that? How pretty is that inner corner though? All right, so I'm just going to keep you guys in here with me, and we're going to finish off the under eye. So now I think I'm going to go in with a little bit of sand first, which is this shade here. And this is a ColourPop E19. I'm just going to apply that on the lower lash line before I go in with any other shade. Does this make you feel uncomfortable? Let me know, because this is so different for me. I literally use my phone as a remote for this camera, and I am obsessed. And yes, I keep looking at myself up there. I don't know. I have to get used to this camera, you guys, but I love it. All right, so now I'm gonna go in with terracotta with the same brush. So basically I'm using the same colors that I used on the crease. And I'm just going to apply that right on the lower lash line. I'm also going to add a little bit of cream, this shade here, on the brow bone. So I'm going to grab this Sigma Shader Inner Corner E46 brush, and I'm just going to pop that right here on the brow bone. Ooh, that's pretty. Look at that. All right, so I figured I would zoom you guys out now. I am going to go in with the Maybelline Lash Sensational, and I'm just going to add this mascara on the lower lashes. All right, you guys, so now we're going to jump into highlighter. I'm going to go in with the Anastasia and Nicole Guerrero highlighting palette. This is what she looks like. She freaking pretty. Look at her. She is gorgeous. So I think with this look, I want to go in with the pink. So I'm going to go in with Kitty Cat. Kitty Cat is so pretty. I tried every single one of these highlighters and I love it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pink here. Ooh, ooh, ooh. You guys see that highlight though? All right, so I'm gonna add a little bit of Kitty Cat. Love. Oh my god. All right, so moving on to lips, I'm gonna be going in with this lip liner first. This one is from NYX, and this one's in the shade Sao Paulo. And I'm just going to apply that. For lipstick, I'm going to be going in with this MAC lipstick here. This one's in the shade Myrrh, and this is what it looks like. So freaking pretty. Haven't used this shade in a minute. And to top off that lipstick, I'm going to go in with my favorite Fenty Beauty lip gloss. All right, so now I'm going to go in and set my face with the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh. All right, you guys, so this is the final look right here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it and hopefully everything went well and this video looks amazing. So if you enjoyed today's video, please give it a big thumbs up. Also, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't yet. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.